Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can import customers in Zoho Books. It's pretty easy thing to do. So how we can do it? First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Then, from the home page, select the plus icon from here. Then you will see a bunch of options there. From here, select customers, and then you will see a form will be appeared. Then fill up the forms, select customer type is business customer or individual customer, select primary contact, first name, last name, select customer company name, customer display name or customer email. You can add phone or other details. After fill up the form, just click the save and it will be saved. And that's how you can import customer on Zoho Books. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tips of Zoho.